Welcome to the Guardian Chef, your angel in the kitchen. Eggplant Parmesan is like a lasagna, but the pasta is replaced by slices of eggplants. This is a much lighter and healthier recipe, as eggplants are not fried, but grilled. I can assure you, it is still awesomely delicious. Here is how to make melanzane alla Parmigiana. These are all the ingredients you need. Measurements are listed in the description below. Remove the stalk. Peel the eggplant completely. Gaslighter, that was fast. Cut the eggplant lengthwise, or, if you prefer, in slices. You can drain the eggplant with salt to remove the bitterness, but current eggplants are no longer too bitter. Place a skillet pan over high heat and slightly brush it with olive oil. Once the pan is very hot, place the slices of eggplants to grill, turning them until both sides are grilled. They do not need to be completely cooked, as they will cook in the oven. Eggplants are like sponges, they absorb a lot of oil. By grilling, we still keep the nice toasted flavour, avoiding that oily sensation. We are now ready to complete the eggplant parmesan. Coat a baking pan with olive oil, including the edges. To give it some crunch, cover the base with breaded crumbs flavoured with basil and garlic. Start by placing the first layer of eggplants. Eggplants cut lengthwise resemble more lasagna sheets, and you can cover the layer more easily. Remember to add salt to each layer. Then spread a few tablespoons of tomato sauce. To give this dish an extra kick, sprinkle freshly grated parmesan on each layer. We then add another layer of grilled eggplant. Remember to add some salt over each of these. In the middle layer, you can add grated mozzarella, or sliced boiled eggs, fried meatballs, bolognese or ragu sauce, or crispy bacon if you like. I wish I was as fast as you. At the top layer, add more grated mozzarella. Finish by drizzling with extra virgin olive oil on top. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 30 minutes. Eggplant parmigiana should be served warm. However, as many eggplant recipes, it tastes even better the next day. But you'll find it hard not to finish it all at once, especially with an Italian family. Just warm it up before serving. For more eggplant recipes, watch the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. Can you leave me some?